When I came up with Watertank Math, I wanted to come up with a context that I could use in my classroom every day to represent every kind of expression that a student might come across in their math operations. I also came up with Watertank Math because it is great visual to help understand how to add and subtract different types of integers. There's 4 basic scenarios that a student needs to remember. And again, this is basically how a toilet works. The first situation is when we add. When we add using Watertank Math, it's basically like your toilet is going to be filling up. So I have this illustration to represent to your students what it is when we add a number. Water will be coming in from the top. The next situation is when we have a subtraction. Well, I feel that when we have a subtraction problem, this is like water leaving from your toilet down the drain. So that is going to happen down here at the bottom. Water is going to go out the drain, and we're going to draw an arrow down at the bottom. The third situation that comes up is the plus-minus expression. Again, this is where students' anxiety goes up because they don't understand what does it mean when you see a plus-minus in a textbook. Why are mathematicians writing a plus-minus? Well, I feel that a great visual for a plus-minus is when a dog or cat would be drinking water out of the top of your toilet. Most kids understand this concept, have laughed about it, have seen this since the earliest of ages. So when you see a plus-minus on an expression, this is nothing more than a dog drinking water out of a toilet. So water is going to leave out the top. And in the last situation, the dreaded minus and negative. This is when your toilet has a backflow. Some people have had bad sewers, and the sewer backs up. When the sewer backs up, what happens to the water level in your toilet? The water level comes up. So that means that water is coming back through the drain. Water is going to come back through the drain. It's going to rise up like it does in addition. But this is a great visual for understanding the minus and negative. So there's 4 situations that we come across. Water fills up the toilet. Water is drained from the toilet. A pet, a dog or cat, drinks water from the toilet. And then finally the toilet backflows. There's a backflow of water. I think these visualizations for a student can really help them understand which way the water level is going to go in the Watertank Math, and it's going to help them solve or answer these math expressions.